Hi, learn how to do a paraffin manicure in easy steps. Things you will need: 4 ounces of paraffin wax, coconut oil, hand-size container or a casserole dish, plastic bags and a paper towel. Step 1, heat the paraffin wax on a stove. Do not boil it. Step 2, wash your hands and apply coconut oil. Step 3, dip your hands in melted wax put in the container. Hold for 5 seconds. Repeat 5 times. Step 4, keep your hands inside a plastic bag. Wrap a towel around the bag so that your hands stay warm. Step 5, hold your hands for 30 minutes. Relax. Step 6, peel off wax in chunks, and oil up your hands again. Enjoy your day with refreshing vibes. Smile. Subscribe and share this video for more like this.